So a chunk of this unit will also be about graphing and some different things with graphs. So we'll start to kind of piece it together here. So it says sketch a graph of number one, which was x to the third minus x squared minus 2x equals f of x. So sketch a graph of that. And what do you notice about the roots of the graph? So I go to my calculator here, y equals clear x to the third minus x squared minus 2x. I hit graph. My scale is going to be all goofy. So I'm going to zoom standard whenever I have a graph and different things. And so there's my graph. I'm going to drag it and drop it here so I can zoom it in and look at it where it's bigger. So there's my graph. Whoops. Yeah, let's make it big. All right. So what do you notice about the roots and the graph? So the roots were -1, 2, and 0. So if I zoom in on my graph here, you can see -1 is right there, 0 is right there, and 2 is right there. So what I notice is that the graph has x-intercepts at -1, 0, and 2, which are the same as the roots. So that is going to be something that we can do with some of these if we're trying to figure out the zeros, and it doesn't say how we have to do it. We could put it into a graph and find them that way. So there's lots of different things we can do with the graph, and there's lots of relationships that we're going to look at back and forth, kind of comparing the graph to the solutions that we get in some different